Hello, my dear students. So now we are going to begin with the writing skills. And the first type of writing skill which we are going to learn today is dialogue writing. Dialogue writing is basically a very simple conversation between two people. The topic will be given to you that these two people are talking on this particular topic, and you have to start the conversation. Now suppose you meet someone new. So how do you begin the conversation? In the same way, the dialogue writing will begin with the conversation and will have a topic on which the conversation will take place. A dialogue writing is a conversation in a story or real anytime something which is said aloud. Means they talk with each other loudly, right? When you write dialogue, you state a person's exact word. When you're writing someone's dialogue, you are writing particularly what the exact words were used by the person. You will not say that he said something like this. No, you will say he said this things. Like exact words, what he said will be used in the dialogue. So today we are going to learn what is dialogue writing and what are the rules of writing a good dialogue. And we'll see one example of a dialogue writing. So let's begin. So now we are going to see how we have to write a dialogue. Read the entire question thoroughly. This is a very good point which has to be noted by all the students, that whenever you are going to answer a question, it is really very important that you read the question properly and you understand the question first. Read each and every word given in the question, understand it properly. Understand the gist. Gist means idea of the entire conversation. Using the grammatical skills of direct voice, complete this unsolved dialogue. Means dialogue will be either given half or it will only be given as a question. So you have to complete it on your direct voices, means exact words which are given by the characters. So let's see the example of a dialogue writing now. We will first begin with the definition of dialogue. Dialogue is the exchange of spoken words between two or more characters in a book, play, or other written work. In a prose writing, lines of dialogue are typically identified by the use of question marks, quotation marks, dialogue tags, such as she said, he said, Divya said, Rakesh said. In plays, lines of dialogue are preceded by the name of person speaking. For example, if Aditi is speaking, so the name will be written Aditi and her dialogue will be the exact words what she says, right? And if there is some more characters like Manasvi, Swati, Mayuri, so all these names will be given properly. The names will be given and what they exactly said will be written in their lines. Here's a bit of dialogue from Alice's Adventure of Wonderland. Oh, you can't help that, said the cat. So the cat has said exactly that, oh, you can't help that. There are no changes in her dialogue. We are all mad here. I'm mad. You're mad. These are the exact words which are said by the cat in Alice's Wonderland. How do you know I'm mad? Said Alice. There is no change in dialogue. You can see that the words are in direct voice and no changes in the words said by the Alice. So now we are going to see the second example of dialogue writing, wherein a child and mom is having a dialogue conversation. Child says, Mom, what is Republic Day? And mom says, it is celebrated on 26th January. Child says, but why is it celebrated? Mom replies, it is the day to remember India's constitution come into force. Child, what is constitution? Mom, according to which a state or other organization is acknowledged to be governed. Child, oh, is that so? Mom, yes. Child, Jai Hind. So this is a small conversation. It is an example of dialogue writing and you can give some more examples in the same way. I'm sending you an activity based on dialogue writing. You will be completing it in your notebook and send the snaps in the WhatsApp class group. I hope you have understood. If you have any doubt, you can message me. Thank you.